sa issue ya okay. Alan there no.
Yeah.
Alan fee say so nim say obrefo nto obrefo ade.
Dabi.
Eno na aba no. Ene wo mo a wo mo ka kire Alan man ni si form wo Legon no. A wo mo ka kire so onua pan. So kwa.
We are on Sobako.
San crofo no ne wo mo sabotage no.
Oh yeah.
Yawa Alan edi ba kono no. Enkamfu ani nyina no. Ade letter na wo try of withdrawing from the race you know. That letter is pregnant.
Oh yes. For pregnant, a lot of pregnant.
Yes. So wakodu niema ni bi and waka. For instance, so here letter na dey call ase ho no. Was it the following week you know? That's what he said.
Ghana for better.
The political future. I didn't know cancer.
And he's going to announce a
on trouble. I didn't want to say within NPP no or better understand because we all know say he belongs to NPP. Wajai and no can say Ghana for better than Kano. Actually say he meant a different thing altogether. Wow, over transfer over when the letter in you coded.
Yes.
Who the code or catch also in Yadi or NPP view.
Oh yes. I mean nobody should underestimate Alan.
Yes.
The man is a dangerous man.
Very, very dangerous.
He can cause havoc.
Alan
is dangerous.
Why would you make it? Entino dear why and because what you mean ya the supporters and all. Dabi. Nature say wakumu womu eso musukura nya na omuko no. Why would you make it? But me say wo better no. Ahefa no ode na asem okobiu. Ne tu susu. Sa na national executive se meboa. Letter na call no wo moje ne ntam dodo. Wow.
Tabi ono for the coin why na dey.
Sa brother na wo no enim so aye na adwene.
E brother na Alan yes ade. But the first flight the free Kumasi.
Aye.
Alan was in Kumasi on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Me hu no. No ba comfort do onu ho ha.
Na I was say a lot of people are not expecting say they could carry him along. After defeat, you know.
Aye.
They told him we are sorry.
Dabi bambinka baby sunchiro. To me no. Saba na omokoto ye no. Kofi Kroma unim gala. Gala. Si eba bebo liga. First na all the teams in Ghana bia Kumasi, Anatamale, Anakra. Wo bo 15 minutes. Ento oje gala unyi legal.
Okay.
Oje gala mo bono 15 minutes first half, second half 15 minutes. And only the boje gala. Mimi di omokoye mimi free say gala. Now wow, listen. Wobi o ultimate gala no, na relegation woko. Ote di amateur. Mimi won say when obuso bia have never commented on it. E dey any delegates conference in America, wo me 8. Wo man so so. Wo pesa wo ko bia no. E mo so no so say. Eno kire e your own democratic. Eno mo dey ahye wo mo constitution. Se nipa no peso ogina, se wo mo 8 o. Mo dey e 10. 8 no obi agina. Na mmara wo ho. Oko first round near who sika owo and donations and crop for anyway no threshold do be high say oduro ho wa nduru ha na wa pako ne ma na kofi na mom ye say ye koyi ni pani bi say ye nkoto super delegates bibie e unfair e undemocratic e say oja wo nyina no omoko so so obi abesa anya MPP a because wo mo no na ka so wo mo ye democrats. To the amateur. So in effect, you know, the minimum said the whole system, no, say we are a new quack so do way to first second and near man. The OBA period a chum. Now, yeah, but to 250 something thousand meboana.
Yeah.
Kofi, nani pa womu no 1,000. O ebi to abama okra wanya 80%. Anyway, why win there? O te dia me kire no. Na womu no a womu ne ala nam no. Bibia no ochesa alam will come back to NPP. Because we feel say woman betray no. Like I said, or I also confirm you know. It's about betrayal. Muna mo me can't say, ma me withdraw. So in politics, ma withdraw no, and work you. And work you crack. Say, the abbey will be any bomber over to. But me say me too. Me say, well, Sabra Crown and Crawford I shall see a political party. Because we want intellectuals. I will move in a chip. So, and in effect, MPP, whether they.
If that should happen, it might make any impact.
Yes.
Alan.
Aye.
Sir.
Aye.
Or that political club.
Yes. This man has been in the system. Officer Sanya Nanako Fado na back Dr. Baumia. We better know how to your friends Alan Martin. What would you make in terms of popularity and the know-how? You can't ask Alan Martin. Say what Mekasa said there, Baumia Kasa. No.
87.9
Well, Yamond Alan Martin be as a president Kufo. O minu kura no a uhunu no wananim but na no we respond to the brantie na eboro no man ani sa payo sa yede no utimu sana why highly disturbed was say how did we get here he wanted to know mo amuho eyemfie akonwa na mo
okay na ma touch on koko kakra
koko no yesi atum